Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming around to see this beautiful smile. Yes, it's me, your girl, your sister, your friend, Ella Suitable, the lady with the smile. Today I want to talk about how social media is affecting your mental health, our mental health, everyone's mental health. After this topic, I'm also going to talk on how social media is affecting our relationship. Yes, that is why you need to turn on the notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a wonderful content like this. This is a place to be. In this channel, we treat a lot of educative topics, a lot. All you have to do is to check out my other video. I am sure you are going to see something that will interest you. Research have it that increase in social media is increase in depression, is increase in suicide. Yes, people who spend more time on social media are prone to depression than people who spend less time. Gradually, social media have become part of our nature. We like, we dislike, we subscribe, we unsubscribe, we follow, we comment, and so on. We are now living in an addiction generation because of social media. We are so addicted to our phone that our phone has become part of our body. Are you sure social media is not affecting your mental health? Are you sure social media is not affecting everyone's mental health? Anything we do that takes most of our time is affecting us positively or negatively. So many people don't appreciate themselves anymore because of what they see on social media. You see people posting their achievements online, posting how successful they have become on the internet. Sometimes it's not what you think. Yes, it's not what you think, you know. And you see all this, you think you are not progressing. You are feeling failure, you think you are not doing well. Because of this, you now feel less of yourself. You feel less important of yourself. There are so many fake lifestyle in social media. So don't allow this fake lifestyle to ruin your life. Don't allow this fake lifestyle to affect you, your mental health. Remember, your mental health is important. Don't forget that. Start loving yourself. Celebrate your little wins. Stop comparing yourself with these people. In this channel, I have talked about how to overcome inferiority complex and how to practice self-acceptance. I'm going to put it in description because you have to watch that video. Work on your self-esteem. In this channel, I have talked about how to boost your self-esteem. I will also put it in description. These are the topics you need to watch, you need to listen to become the real you. I am telling you, focus on yourself because it costs less to be the real you. Social media is affecting you mentally, it's affecting your mental health, it's affecting your physical health, it's affecting your well-being as a person. Social media increases procrastination and kills your motivation. The more time in a day you spend on social media, the less time you care about yourself, the less time you eat, the less time you exercise, the less time you do other activities at home. And this thing is affecting your mental health. People care less of themselves. Rather, they care more of what they see on social media. They care more of things they see on social media, people that they see on social media, and comparing themselves with those people. Instead of you to focus on your life, you are allowing people fake lifestyle on social media to design the way you live your life. Tell me, what impact is this making in your life? Most people are responsible for themselves feeling inferiority complex. Most people are going through inferiority complex because of social media fake lifestyle. People who you don't even know if the things that they are showcasing are really theirs. You are comparing your lifestyle with them. Social media is a circle of jealousy. envy and hate. Some posts to make others jealous. Some don't like or comment because of jealousy or envy. While some comment negative because of envy, of hate. And all this is affecting us. Yes, so many people have ended their life because of social media. So many people have died because of the negative comments that they have received. And to worst of it all, from people who they don't know or have seen before. You don't celebrate your little wins anymore because you are seeing somebody showcasing a lot of money on social media. Let me tell you, social media contains a lot of audio rich people. Yes, I call them audio rich people. So don't be deceived by these people you see on social media. Appreciate yourself, love yourself. So many people are doing wrong things, living wrong life because of they want to impress a bunch of people on the internet, because they want to get more likes, more comments. You know, that is it. That is the end of it. Just that like, you know, that comment. You are doing good. Keep it up. How can you be commenting more grace to somebody who is doing the wrong thing, who is posting wrong things? You are commenting more grace. Keep it up. And that is how a lot of people have been keeping it up, keeping up wrong things on social media, keeping up wrong activities on social media. Yes, there are advantages of social media. Social media has a lot of advantages, but still it's affecting our mental health, it's affecting us mentally and emotionally. The owners of this social media, they know that this thing is affecting you mentally. They know. That is why whenever you get any like, they notify you. Whenever you get any comments, they notify you. Whenever you get anything, they notify you. Because with that notification tune, you want to leave whatever you want to do and see what it's all about. They know that it's affecting you. That is why you need to say no to how social media is affecting your mental health, because your mental health is very important. If you have watched up to this time, it means that you like what I'm doing here. Please consider it to subscribe if you have not. Like, comment and share. Those of you who are always coming around, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Bye.